It has become such a fashion ukuthi abantu bazithole bazinikeza that right over another person's life. For you to actually believe ukuthi it's within your right to end one's life because of this lady is not loving me ngendlela engifisa ngayo, this lady is not respecting me ngendlela engifisa ngayo. Why not let go and actually go and find that person who is going to be obedient ngendlela wena ofisa ngayo, if ever there is such a person? When we come together in a relationship, it's all in the name of wanting to coexist and actually feel ukuthi we can build something as a couple, but not to feel ukuthi wena unamandla over another person. So many young women are falling victims to people who are ending izimpilo zabo. I may not know what went on between the two people or whether you tried to get out, but for you, osasekhona, may you try and let go of a situation that is just no longer serving you, because impilo yakho is worth it. Impilo yakho is not for you to just give away to omunye umuntu so easily ukuthi ungamvumela ukuthi akushaye ngendlela afisa ngayo, akhulume nawe ngendlela afisa akhuluma ngayo nawe, and you just go with it. Ngelinye ilanga that person will go and end impilo yakho. How then will you then speak up and say kwanele? You should take a stand and say kwanele, usasenethuba lokuthi ukwazi ukuthi uzikhulumele.